Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Flip the fob and slide out the mechanical key using the small release tab. This exposes the seam and gives purchase for prying. If your Audi Q3 key has a tiny screw, remove it with a Phillips sized like 00, then proceed. Use a thin flathead screwdriver in the seam to gently pry the two halves apart, starting at the corner and working around the perimeter. Do not force or bend plastic to avoid damage, and keep internal buttons and circuit board intact. Locate the round CR2032 coin cell. Gently lift the old battery out using plastic tweezers or a fingernail to avoid metal onboard contact. Inspect the contact springs and clean corrosion with a cotton swab lightly moistened with isopropyl alcohol. Allow to dry. Insert a new CR2032 with the positive side, plus, facing up toward the cover. Press evenly to seat and snap the halves together evenly. Then slide the mechanical key back into place and confirm the key fob closes flush with no gaps. Test the key fob immediately. Stand within 3 meters of the vehicle and press lock, unlock, trunk, and any remote start buttons to confirm operation. If any function fails, reopen the fob to verify battery orientation, ensure contacts are clean and spring tension is present, and reseat the battery or replace it again. Finally, recycle the old CR2032 at an electronic or household battery collection point. Do not throw button cells in household trash because they contain hazardous materials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.